Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into an exciting opportunity to participate in the Abstract Chain airdrop and potentially earn some valuable tokens. I will also step-by-step participate in this airdrop in this video. So if you are the type who loves farming airdrop points by completing social media tasks, or you're interested in this type of airdrop farming, you can watch this video to the end, so don't miss any crucial part of the process. But before we enter into how to participate in this airdrop, what is Abstract Chain and why should you care? Abstract Chain is a Layer 2 scaling solution on Ethereum. It leverages ZK rollup technology, which allows for faster and more efficient transactions on the Ethereum network. But that's not all. Abstract Chain is built with a user-centric approach by implementing account abstraction, or AA for short. This makes it super developer-friendly and enhances the overall transaction experience for Web3 users like you and me. The project has already made waves in the crypto space, completing 2 funding rounds with backing from some big names like Electric Capital, Xerox Makey, Ray Chan, and Luca Nets. Even though they haven't revealed the exact amount raised, this kind of support speaks volumes about the project's potential. Now here's the exciting part. Abstract Chain has launched a points farming program. You can earn points right now, and when the project officially lists its tokens, those points can be converted into tokens. However, keep in mind that the listing date hasn't been confirmed yet, but from what we have heard from credible sources, airdrop is guaranteed to happen very soon. Alright, so how do you participate in the Abstract Chain airdrop? I'll walk you through the simple steps to go about it, so without wasting too much time, I will now go to my phone. But remember, you can also do this on your laptop, but personally, I prefer my phone, because I know more people, especially most beginners, only have access to their smartphones. So to make it easier for them, I will do the process on my phone. Okay, let's get started. First off, visit Abstract Chain's website. I'll drop the link in the description below this video. Click on it, and it will take you to the airdrop page. Once you're there, you'll have to sign in by connecting your MetaMask wallet. It's a pretty straightforward process. If you don't have a MetaMask wallet, I will also leave a link for you to create a MetaMask wallet. Once you're connected, click Next. And you will receive 10 points for your registration. Yep, that's right. Just for signing in, you already start earning. Next, scroll down to find a list of tasks that you can complete to rack up even more points. You will also have to connect your X account. Once you connect your X account, you can now go on to complete the tasks. These tasks are pretty simple, and the more you do, the more points you accumulate. Tasks will be added on a daily basis, so you can log in every day to complete those tasks and increase your points. Just follow the instructions for each task to ensure you're doing them correctly. One task you'll notice is the Abstract and Deform Commemorative NFT. Completing this task might require a small fee on the base network, but if you don't feel like paying that fee, no worries. You can skip this one and still earn plenty of points from the other tasks. Another way to earn more points is to invite your friends. Abstract Chain rewards you for inviting friends to join in. For every friend you invite, you'll earn additional 15 points, and your friend will get 5 points. And there you have it, folks. It's that easy to participate in the Abstract Chain airdrop and position yourself to potentially earn some valuable tokens once the project is listed. Make sure to take action now so you don't miss out on this opportunity. Remember, the more points you accumulate, the bigger your airdrop allocation will be. So if you are interested in farming the Abstract Chain airdrop, I will leave the link in the description of this video. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and opportunities just like this one. And as always, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you've already started earning points with Abstract Chain. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy earning, Profit Questers.